Stay tuned to watch a video tutorial of the Christmas Express bundle kit.
Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk and Creations. I am showing you a Christmas Express bundle kit, okay? There's a transfer. It's a size C transfer. It has 6 different designs on there. And I cut it up to make it into a bundle kit for you, so that way you can make either a quick, easy gift for somebody or you want to use it for your own home decor, okay? The kits are $20. That's shipped within the United States, and it does include shipping in the price, okay? Now, with each kit, you will get a pre-painted, pre-waxed wood board, okay? It's anywhere from, I would say it's almost a 6x6, okay? It's like 5 7/8, something like that. Now, it is painted and pre-waxed on one side. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. And the back side, I left unfinished. That way, if you would like to paint and a different color and use your own surface wax, or if you have some Chalk Couture surface wax and you would like to use a different color, because these transfers are reusable, you're able to do that, okay? It will also come with a Simple Shapes board and base, so that way you can put it in there and use it for display. It will stand upright. Oh, you can't see it there. Okay. You will also get 1 bright white paste packet, 1 color tray to put your paste in, and also 1 mini squeegee, as well as a thank you card with small print instructions and this YouTube video for a tutorial. So I'm going to get started here. This is going to be each kit, you'll get to pick your kit. With my Try Me sample kits, I usually do a random, but this one you get to pick your kit. All right, this is going to be kit number 1. I will have them numbered and I will have the title in there. Okay, like I'm going to call this, this one's going to be Santa Claus number 1. Okay, this is going to be Christmas Express. The reindeer, and this is how they will look when they are finished. I have done the finished product. Okay, that way you get some idea of how they will look. This is going to be number 2. This is the reindeer. Okay, the board and base. This is number 3, the bed and breakfast to All a Good Night. I think this would look really cute on a side table when you have your Christmas guest over for the holidays in the little spare bedroom or your guest bedrooms, or if you know somebody that has a bed and breakfast in. I think this would look really cute, and that's how it looks with the base. And that was going to be that's going to be number 3, kit number 3. Okay. Oops, I got this out of order. Okay, number 4, this is perfect for somebody that is a baker or maybe for yourself, okay? The Holiday Bake Shop, I think that is just absolutely adorable. Frosty Snowflake Cafe, this would be really cute if you have a coffee, hot cocoa bar, or you want to use this at work, or you just, have a little coffee cocoa bar station. I think that would be absolutely adorable. Or maybe somebody that you know has a little coffee shop or a little business. That would be so cute. Okay? And then this one, this is perfect for any crafter. Santa Supply Company handmade goods from the North Pole. That is just absolutely adorable. Perfect for a crafter. Maybe a toy shop maker, or toy maker shop, something, I think that is absolutely cute. Okay, so this would be number 6. All right, each one I will have a link posted down in the description box to each kit. So that way you can go ahead and go those. I apologize if that was loud. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you how quick and easy it is. I tried my best to make this as easy on you as possible because the holidays come up. You want something that's going to be quick and fast. So I went ahead and pre-paint it, sand it, and pre-wax the surface for you. So that way all you need to do is apply your transfer, do a little fuzzing on it 1 or 2 times, add some paste, peel it up, let it air dry if you want to. You can use a hair dryer if you want to dry it faster. Boom, you're done. If you want to embellish it, you are more than welcome to do it. So I'm going to mark the back of this. Okay, I did not mark the back of these, so you will need to do that. These are your backer sheets. So you peel off your backer sheet. Now, if you've not seen any of my videos before, I'll briefly explain. This is the matte side, your transfer. These are reusable, okay? They're sticky. And there's a shiny side. So that way if you're busy, you're not paying attention, you do not put it back after you've cleaned it onto your backer sheet on the wrong side. All right. Now I have a fuzzing cloth. You do not need a fuzzing cloth. If you don't have one, you can use a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, anything that has a fabric that is going to take a little bit of the stickiness off. I'm only going to do this a couple of times, okay, because this is already pre-waxed. I sanded it and pre-waxed. All right, I'm going to set this aside. Now, before I put this on my surface, I need to put my base on there because there is a little bit of depth there to it. And that way I do not put my transfer on too low to where the base hides it. Okay. Now you are welcome to measure if you would like to. Now if the transfer is a little bit larger than what you can see your surface to place it, hold it up to the light so that way you can see the back of it. That way it's backlit, and that way you can see your entire transfer and where it's going to be placed. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to set that, I took that off the base, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to smooth this over with my hands. Now, and why I do that is that way if there's any air bubbles, any little fuzzies back there preventing from good contact, I can feel it and peel it up and take care of it. But if you would like to be on the safe side, you can use your mini squeegee and just go over it really quick to make sure that you have good contact with your surface. All right, now I'm not going to open this, but I'm going to show you. Okay, you get your paste packet. You would want to knead it because you want to make sure that it is good and well mixed. All right, I use my fingers and I push it down towards the top because I like to open them from the bottom. That way, if I like the color, or that way I can't, if I have it the other way, then I won't be able to see it, or I might cut off the name. That way I know what it is. All right. So then you just snip it. You squeeze some paste into your paste tray. Okay. And then you just use your mini squeegee, and you use that like as I'm going to demonstrate how I use with the jar. Okay. You just dip your squeegee in there with the bevel side, and you just generously apply to your transfer. It is really quick. It is really easy. You can say you handmade it yourself. Like I said, you can embellish this with a little bow, a little ribbon. The back is unfinished, and I did that so that way if you would like to paint in a different color, I believe I stated that earlier, you can do that because this is reusable. All right, you just want to make sure you have all your design covered. All right, scrape off any excess onto the edge of your color tray. Okay, and then with the bevel side, you want to go back over this and scrape off the excess off your transfer so that way you have good, even coverage. And now it is time for the peel and reveal. I usually start from the corners because this is pre-waxed. It's going to be pretty easy to come up. All right, and then I just slowly peel up. Now there is distressing in the lettering. That's the way the transfer comes. Oh, I love this. I think that's really pretty. Okay. And I'm just going to set that aside. You know what? No, I'll do a different video on showing how to clean that. That's it. And then I'm going to put this on my base. And there you go. I know that's a bad angle. I'll take an end photograph to show you how that looks. But yeah, I think that is just absolutely adorable. That would look really cute, like on an end table by your entryway where you place your mail. And maybe put a little letter to Santa on there. I think that would be really cute. There you go. I hope you enjoyed these bundle kits. It's a way you have a project that you can instantly have, almost instantly, have some decor, or you can give as a gift. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, I will have all the links posted down below where you can purchase these kits. Like I said, they are $20 each. That includes the shipping. I ship it only within the United States. And if you would like to get the size C transfer on its own, because you would like to have all 6 of those different transfers and put them on your own projects or your own surfaces, I will have a link and you can purchase that from Chalk Couture. Thank you so much for watching, and you enjoy your day.